Hello, welcome to Trooper 144 in the great outdoors, the way we like it. Well, this is a to be continued kind of video. We had a comment on have we tried a certain type of 22 long rifle against the Ostrich femur. No, we haven't, but let's try some variety, and that's what's coming up next on Trooper 144. The question we had, have you tried a CCI 22 LR 21 grain copper by Howard Johnson? Unfortunately, I can't get the copper. It's a very fast moving 21 grain bullet, and it is lead free, as I understand. But for you today, I have something different, because CCI short 32 grain, I have that. S&B LR 40 grain Sub-sonic. Then we have the Federal 40 grain standard velocity, high velocity S&B 38 grains, and of course the CCI Stinger against Ostrich femur bone. So yeah, let's not waste your time, let's get shooting. Alright, and obviously, as you can see, I've cut the heads off and I've placed 4. Last time we only had penetration of actual, not even 2. I'm going to put this brick on top just to make it a bit more solid, and there we have 4 Ostrich femur bones versus 22 long rifle. Let's see what happens. Alright, here we are now, ready to shoot. We will start with the short, then the Sub-sonic, then we will go to the standard velocity, high velocity, and then CCI Stinger. Let's see what happens. First up, short. That one hit left. I'm just going to adjust. Okay, that was the 22 short. Went through the one side into the second one, and it looks like it's 2. We'll dissect it afterwards. But that was the 22 short. Obviously that hit a bit harder. That was your Sub-sonic. Let's go see. Alright, total devastation. Everything is kind of messed up. Well, that's number 1. I would guess that's number 2. Or would that be number 2? No. And number 4 still lives. Alright, let's try again. So it's 1, 2, 3, and here we have a projectile, 2 projectiles. Alright, here we have 2 projectiles, 2 shots, 3 bones destroyed. I'm gonna try hit a different spot this time. My accuracy seems to be too good to be true. Alright, let's try a different shot. Alright, set up for third shot. This would be the standard velocity against femur bone. There's short and Sub-sonic. Okay. That was standard velocity. Okay, like we found it. 2 projectiles. but it looks like my grouping just it's not working for me today. Anyway, I think that would be number 4. I think it turned around. Yeah, I did. There's parts of lead. Okay. There's parts of lead. I think it would be like that, yes. Okay, on 7 meters, standard velocity, round nose, lead. Sorry about the grouping there, because obviously it's weak. I wanted to hit it somewhere else. Okay, I'm gonna try hitting it somewhere else. Right, here we go. High velocity, standard went right through, but it might be because it's already damaged. Well guys, sorry about that. Looks like my grouping is just hitting all the same spots. I'm gonna try turning the bones around and then see if I can hit another spot. Okay, so I've turned it around. The weak part is on this side. I'm gonna try and hit that side. Right, so now we have high velocity, round nose, 38 grain. The 40 grain sure packs a punch. Let's see now. Obviously you can hear that was high velocity. All that's left is the stinger. But let's go pick up the bones first. Right, by now the bones look a little bit damaged. I'll see if I can turn it around. Maybe put that thick one in there for the stinger. Let's see. High velocity, that would be number 1. And like I said, I was going to hit it in a different spot. Well, not much left of that one. Hard to say now which one was the second one. Might have been this one. This one is a mess. Total devastation. And the 4th one still only has 1 hole in it from that last one. And lucky me, we have a 3rd projectile. There we go. Right, let's try this a different way. Let's put the weak ones at the back, the strong ones in the front. Alright, I've turned the bones around. The stronger, less penetrated ones to the front, and the ones that's been hit quite a bit more to the back. Let's see what the CCI Stinger will do to it. Okay, like I said, I took the full one, put it in front of the damaged ones. Here we go, CCI Stinger. Let's see what happens. That was a center shot. Right. One side. Interesting. Okay, like I said, I've put this extra bone in front because the other ones were a little bit damaged. Taking this out of the way. Here we have part of projectile. Piece of the bone. Now it's hard to see, but this is not hard to see. Enter. Exit. I guess that's been how it was. Right. That's another one. This one is broken. Right, let's see what the damage was on the 5 bones, CCI Stinger and the rest. First of all, Stinger went into first one, exit first one, enter first one, for sure exit second one. Third one, you can see the lead, and obviously exited it. Well, don't have to say anything. And then, alright, there we have 4 of the projectiles found that went into and through the bones. That would be CCI Stinger, bone 1, bone 2, bone 3, obviously bone 4 and bone 5. Alright, for the conclusion, CCI Stinger in a 22 long rifle, 7 meters, very dangerous. Well, there you have it, 22 long rifle versus ostrich femur bones. Sorry Howard Johnson, thank you for your question, but no, I did not find any copper points. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more info like this, and from my side, 11144, thank you for watching. I'm out.